Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious carne asada on your Blackstone Griddle. First, select a good cut of skirt or flank steak, about 1.5 pounds. Marinate it for a minimum of 2 hours or even overnight in a flavorful mixture of citrus, garlic, and spices. This crucial step tenderizes the meat and infuses it with that authentic, zesty taste everyone loves. Get ready for some amazing flavor. Now, let's get that griddle ready. You'll want to preheat your Blackstone to a medium-high heat, aiming for about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a perfect sear. Once hot, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil, spreading it evenly across the cooking surface. This prevents sticking and helps create that beautiful crust we're looking for. We're almost ready to cook. It's time to cook. Carefully lay your marinated carne asada flat onto the sizzling hot griddle, ensuring it's in a single layer to avoid steaming. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful, deep brown crust to form. Resist the urge to move the steak around too much. Let that sear develop. This quick cooking time keeps the meat tender and juicy, preventing it from drying out. Once cooked to your liking, remove the carne asada from the griddle and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a more tender and flavorful bite. Then, slice the steak thinly against the grain. This is key for tenderness. Serve your delicious carne asada with warm tortillas, fresh pico de gallo, and a squeeze of lime for an unforgettable meal. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.